Today I am going to be mixing my slimes. Once I mixed my slimes in and I didn't clearly do a video, I mean literally, and I got this gray shiny slime. Oh well, it's time to go do it. Okay, first I'm going to open my gray shiny slime. It's not the best slime I've made. I do not like that color. Okay. And inside of that bowl, I'm going to be mixing my cloud slime. This is my brother's cloud slime, but he won't mind. It's like a dark blue. It feels like snow. It's supposed to be like a cloud slime. It's super cool. Has stretches and everything. Ooh, look, I'm gonna dip this in here. I'm super excited to put the rest of my slimes. Okay. Next up, I love this slime. It's my favorite slime of all of them. And I'm more than you. I don't really have much of the slime, but because I mixed most of them and to make the gray slime. Gosh, maybe mom. It's a little bit gooey. Alright, I got my awesome, it's a fish tank slime, bubble fish tank slime. It feels really good when it's in your fingers. Oh, I really don't want to put this, this one in the pile, but I have to. Okay, because it's a slime mixing challenge. I have to mix most of my slimes in there. Oh well. This feels super good. It doesn't clearly look that good, but it feels super good. Looks like a rainbow, and it feels super good. Oh, this was like totally worth it. Alright. Ooh, now we're gonna check out my purple slime. I made it like 1 year ago or something. And it is very crunchy. I don't have all of it, but it is very crunchy. I can't even split it. It's barely Play-Doh. Super crunchy. I put that in there. Ooh, I have no idea how the slime's gonna turn out in the end. Oh, now I have my red slime. I really want to make this one. This one is also super duper crunchy. Look. I added a lot of these foam balls. I can't stretch it. It's only foam balls. Barely. It's like only foam balls. Okay, I put all of my slimes in here. Okay, it's time to get them all out. Get the balls, the holes, the big slime out. And mush it all together. Mom, can you give me a bowl and a spoon to mix this? And meanwhile, I wait for you. I'm going to do it with my hands.
Why don't you use one of the bowls you have there?
Because they're too small. It's like a giant slime. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this, guys. It's the biggest slime I've ever made, literally. Although I have made a lot of slimes, and this is the biggest in like my whole life. Because I am mixing all of my slimes together. Wow, this slime is super duper crunchy. Okay. Come on here. I need a spoon. Spoon, Missy, please. I don't know. I don't think this one's gonna stretch. Oh, it makes them super crunchy. They're super crunchy. I don't know how I do it to make them super duper crunchy. Look at this. It's kind of like a galaxy slime. It's like I'm trying, okay? And guys, I'm not done yet, but when I'm done, I'm gonna tell you guys something. Wait. Alright. My mom has a spoon to mix this thing. I'll show you. I'm trying to get it. Got the colors in. Oh, it's like a blue galaxy color. It's like a, don't you think? It's like a blue galaxy color. Mom, one day we should make our own slime with our own stuff.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, this is the biggest slime ever. I'm gonna start just to mix it around with my hands. I know it's gonna turn out like a dark blue or something. And put it back in their bowl, in its bowl. Start to mix. I'm gonna try something. I'm needing my cereal. Wait, I'm gonna put it. This is like the cereal bowl. I'm gonna put some cereal in my scoop. My spoon. Super good. Remember, nobody needs to do it. Remember, no one needs to do that. I didn't even eat it, literally. This slime isn't as expected. Look at that. A lot, not as expected. I thought it would be like a gray color. It's like a blue galaxy. Blue galaxy color. I still got a lot more mixing to do. Oh, yeah. Hey, no. No, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Oh well, okay, so check this out. Oh yeah. New paint arrived today. My mom ordered it a few days ago. Okay, a lot of days ago, a long time ago. And the finally came. Okay, I'm trying to get this stretch. It doesn't stretch. Oh well. It's not slime as expected. You do not want to go over to my house and feel this thing, this boy. It's bad. It's a bad boy. Oh well. If you want to know what it feels like or like anything or how I made it or anything, comment down below and subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll tell you right away. Oh my gosh, oh well. This is like a lot unexpected. Wait, my mom and me should make more. Ooh, and then maybe I'll make another mixing video.